Hey YouTube, I want to talk about my next build. Saw that BG Model Works was having a group build, the Whirlybird group build, and I was thinking about, should I go back to the Enterprise project or should I, do something else? I decided to kill two birds with one stone, or two Whirlybirds, as it were. Okay, anyway, this is my next build. This is the definitive kit of this, and it is by Clearprop, which is from the Ukraine. And for a while I was concerned with the war that I wouldn't be able to find it, but sure enough, I did. So this is the kit that I'm going to go with. Again, this is the one I'll be building. These are the GRS video references that I have. So it's the number 10 copter 0139, and again I have the Starfighter decals. It's hard to see, they're all white obviously, but these are the ones that he blew up from the small ones. And then for the 1 to 720s or 1 to 700s, I have these white ensign models, Cam and Seasprites, and while they come with their own photo etch, I couldn't pass it up. I saw it out online, the Big Blue Boy photo etch set for the UH-2C Sprite, which gives you the folded blades. Just a quick reveal, or unboxing. So the kit comes with awesome decals, which give you 3 different variants. I'm not worried that I'm going to be able to make that aircraft. While they come with quite a bit of detail, the kit itself comes with, now I'm confused because there's some aftermarket stuff in here as well. It comes with its own set of photo etch, but then I also, as well as, like I said, just awesome decals. I also went with aftermarket for the from Clearprop for the exhausts. So inside the engine, the exhaust, and then the wheel set to detail better detailed wheels and landing gear, because I'm toying with the idea of having it up on an acrylic pole coming in flaring, for a landing. We'll see. And then I went with the mask set. And then I'm not going to unpack this, but just suffice it to say, it's just exquisite detail. And I just can't wait to get started on it. And again, I'm doing this as part of BG Model Works Whirlybird, and that goes from May 27th to September 4th. So that should be, I know I take a long time to build models, but that should be hopefully enough to get this done. Again, this is the only kit of a UH-2C out there. So it's, a treat to have such an awesome kit be the only one available. And as you can see, it comes with paint references to give me exactly what I'm going to need to do this. I don't think it's going to be a big leap to go from this to this. So anyway, that's next. And want to thank Mr. BG for hosting this. Watch for the next video where I'll start in on this. And as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.